Today I'm going to walk you through how I used Adobe Firefly, which is Adobe's artificial intelligence website. And basically you use text to create images. Right here, text to create images. You have generative fill and you have text effects. You can also do recoloring, templates. Oh, that's new. Oh, it's an Express. Yeah, that's awesome. I use Express and that's really well. And then vector, text to vector graphic, firefly.adobe.com. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh, I may need to use some of these. Like the Christmas ball one, the lights one is just gorgeous. The only thing is I wish like you could click on it and open it in a new window because I like to just keep scrolling and using it as I go. The one that I'm going to be doing today is a shirt for my alma mater, UTSA. Oh my gosh, it's popcorn, which is the University of Texas, San Antonio. And I kind of wanted it to end up like this. I grew out, or my old college shirts have all just gone downhill. They're all old and grungy. So I wanted to make a new college shirt to wear to school on Thursdays because we have college or career days on Thursdays. And I thought it'd be fun to try to use AI. So this is the finished result. And in order to get that, you type in your text that you want. So I wanted, and then here I'm going to type in Roadrunner feathers because the mascot is Roadrunners. And the colors are F1 5A22 and 0C234. And what I did is I just Googled what are the University of Texas San Antonio's hex colors, and this is what showed up. So I put in the hex there. And then you generate, and it creates 4 options for you. And I went through each one and I really decided that I like this first one. Then you can also refresh it and it'll give you a new set. You can change the shape, you can change the color, you can change the font, you can add different sample prompts. There's just a ton of stuff you can do, and it's really exciting that this is kind of our future because doing this would have taken me forever. And then you can export it as a download, you can copy it, you can save it to the gallery, put it in Adobe Express and save it to your Adobe library. So I just downloaded it as a PNG. And then I used this hang loose sign. I kind of tweaked it a little bit to make it my style. Then I added the text and then I put the Go Roadrunners on it with the hang loose from Creative Fabrica. And I did all of that in Adobe Illustrator and sent it to my direct to film printer. So here it is as a DTF. This is my Adobe Firefly created DTF. I told it to make Roadrunner, feathers, and UTSA text, and I told it the hex codes for the orange and the blue, and it looks freaking amazing. Let's put it on a shirt.